Oneplus 9RT versus the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So first of all, let's start with the display comparisons. This Oneplus 9RT mobile comes with a 6.62 inches of fluid AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, which was protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it also supports HDR10 plus content. And when we talk about this Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G mobile display, it comes with a smaller 6.4 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it also supports HDR10 plus content, and it will also have the 120Hz refresh rate, and it is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. So yeah, and when we talk about the processors, yeah, these two will comes with the same processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm based octa-core gaming processor. And this S21 FE 5G almost comes with a Exynos 2100, which is the last year's flagship processor instead of the triplet processor. And when we talk about the 5G bands, it comes to the 7 bands of 5G. This mobile comes with only 3 bands of 5G international variants. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this is the section which we have to take a look. This S21 FE 5G mobile comes with the triple cameras at the back side, where we can find 12 megapixels of main wide angle and 12 megapixels of ultra wide, and also 8 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. At the front, it comes with 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And this Oneplus 9RT mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 16 megapixels of ultra wide, and 2 megapixels of macro. Yes. And for the front, it comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about the batteries, yeah, this one comes with the equal amount of battery sizes, that is 4500 mAh of battery. But the difference is this S21 FE 5G mobile supports only up to 25 watts of fast wire charge and 15 watts of wireless charge, where this 9RT mobile doesn't support any wireless charge or reverse wireless charge, but it can support 65 watts of fast charge. And what's the biggest thing is this two mobiles comes with the included charger and cable inside in the box. And when we talk about the features, like these two mobiles comes in different variants, where this S21 FE 5G mobile is available in 6GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 128, and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. Yes. And when we talk about this Oneplus 9RT mobile variants, it will be available in 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 256 with no expandable memory slots. And when we talk about the operating systems, yeah, this Oneplus 9RT mobile is available will be runs on Android version 11 out of the box with Oxygen OS latest version. And this S21 FE 5G mobile comes with the Android version 12 out of the box with One UI 4.0. Yes, much improved version. And when we talk about the connectivity features, like these two mobiles comes with the same Wi-Fi 6, and this mobile supports Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.2. This only supports Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.0. That means 5 only. And when we talk about the fingerprint scanner securities, this two mobiles comes with the in-display fingerprint scanners. And when we talk about the build qualities, this S21 FE 5G mobile is a plastic and glass build, with this Oneplus 9RT is a pure glass and metal build. Yes, build quality wise, this is great. And when we talk about the other features, like this tools comes with the same Type-C ports, and this tools doesn't support any IP68 water and dust resistant features. And one more thing, that these two mobiles comes with the stereo speakers, but these two mobiles doesn't comes with any 3.5mm jacks. So yeah, that is a thing we have to keep in mind when you are going to buy this mobile. And the pricing of these mobiles are this S21 FE 5G mobile was priced at the lowest variant was priced at 54,000 rupees. Yeah, that's a too much price. But this Oneplus 9RT mobile was priced at 44,000, almost 43,999 rupees, almost 44,000 rupees. Yes. So it's come to you, your personal preference. But if I have to choose one, I will definitely pick this Oneplus 9RT. Yeah, because I'd never experienced a OnePlus mobile, so that's the reason. And when we talk about the colors and variants, this mobile will be available in 2 colors. I will list the colors in the description. This mobile will be available in only 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below also. And subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos of my channel also.